How to start a new YouTube channel in 2021 and make money online. I'm assuming you already have a niche. A niche is an audience, and you're going to need an audience if you want to be on YouTube. Number one, do not focus on subscribers. Everybody wants to get 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours so they can get monetized. Most of your subscribers aren't going to watch your videos. Second bit of advice, commit to making 100 videos. You're going to want to make one video a week. That means you're in this for 2 years. Are you ready to give a 2-year commitment to see if this will work before you give up? Number 3, simply improve every video. Find something in each video to improve. Could be the audio, could be the lighting, it could be stability of the tripod. Number 4 is creating good thumbnails. You're going to need a good thumbnail in order to get a click-through rate that's high. Click-through rate, CTR, that's how many people actually click on your thumbnail to watch your video after it's exposed to them. Consider this your movie poster. It needs to spark interest. Number 5 is titles. Your title needs to have a keyword phrase. Watch some of my other videos if you need to know what a keyword phrase is. Leave a comment below if you need to know. We can go into some more depth into what a keyword phrase is in other videos. Imagine the title and the thumbnail working together to entice the click. Number 5 is watch time or retention. You have to keep people watching your videos, otherwise they won't get picked up by the YouTube algorithm. Click-through rate on your thumbnail and watch time is very important in order for the search. So we're trying to pick up the algorithm with the thumbnail, the title, and now number 8 is the description. Description, you're going to write a description, obviously, and you're going to put keyword phrases in the description. And the best part about the description is this is where you get to put your links, and this is where you make some money. So you're going to put up what's called an affiliate link. We'll stick to the end of the video. We're going to touch on what that is. And you're going to put your affiliate links. When people click that link, you're going to make money. Okay, so that's number 7, the description. Number 8 is playlists. Now, playlists are groups of videos that are grouped together in playlists that when someone clicks on one, it automatically plays the next one, and it automatically gets shown to the next one, and the next one, and the next one in a series. So consider it like a series, or a first part, second part, or the same subject matter. You can subcategorize your channel into playlists, and this causes viewing loops that obviously you're going to get more watch time and retention. Keeping people watching your videos is going to trigger the algorithm and grow your channel. Number 9 is end screens. Now, at the end of your video, you're going to have an opportunity to pop up over here, and it's going to say the next video, and it's going to be picked just for you. So it's something that you need to see. So click this next video, and that's an end screen. And when they click it, it keeps people watching. Going from your video to another video on YouTube. It counts for the algorithm to pick up your channel and your videos. Okay, that's good. The longer you keep them on YouTube watching videos, the better. Number 10 is learning to edit. You got to learn to edit. You'll make a bad video good. You'll make a good video great with editing. Number 11 is channel art. You got a channel banner, and you're the easiest way to go to Fiverr, get someone to do it for you. There's ways to do it, there's templates to do it, and you can look that up if you want to do it yourself, if you've got some graphic design in you. But a lot of people have trouble doing it, even with directions. So you can go ahead, go to Fiverr, spend $5 and get your channel art there, okay? Tip number 12, do not fall for sub. Okay, it's against terms of service. It's not going to do you any good. The subs that you get aren't going to be even interested in your channel, so it's really a waste of time. So, you know, sub for sub could get you banned. Okay, so don't do sub for sub. Tip number 13, find other YouTubers in your niche, the big guys in your niche, okay? The guys that have millions of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, people you want to model yourself after, and subscribe to them, turn on notifications. Whenever they post a video, make a comment, provide value, you know, just don't spam them, don't put your links in, that's not good, that's against terms of service. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna give value, and you're in that niche, so you're going to be able to give value in the niche, and people that watch that video, when everybody scrolls down into the comments and they're going to see you, and if they see you more than once and you provide good content, they're going to check your channel out. That's one way to help you grow. I think we're up to 14. Now 14 is very simple. You're going to find YouTubers that are about your size in your niche. You're going to reach out to them. You're going to do collaborations. You're going to, you know, do things back and forth and help each other out. And you're going to expose them to your audience. They're going to expose you to their audience, and you're going to grow your channel. Wait, did you want to make money with your YouTube channel? You're going to use what's called affiliate marketing now. Click the link in the description. I'll give you a whole background on what affiliate marketing is and how to do it. Very simple. It takes about an hour to run through the course, and you'll be an expert on affiliate marketing. And you're going to put your affiliate marketing links into your description. You know, what you're going to do is, whatever your niche is, you're going to find out what the problems are in your niche. You're going to find products that solve those problems, and you're going to put affiliate links in your description for those products that solve the problems in your niche. And when people watch your videos in the niche, they're gonna see the products that solves their problem. They're gonna buy it, and you're gonna make money. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, because it's a lot more difficult than that, and there's a lot more to know. So watch my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, like this one. You know you like it, and leave a comment below if you need to know anything else. If you want me to go into depth into anything further, I'll be glad to make more videos on this subject.